Hey there, welcome to class. I'm Lina, your guide to today's gentle flow practice. This one's perfect for those rest days when you're looking for something easy and rejuvenating, or if you're an athlete aiming to enhance your recovery. So let's dive in. So let's just set an intention of what you would like your practice to be. As it's a gentle flow, feel your feet grounding into the earth. Taking a nice deep breath in. As you breathe out, allow your shoulders to just relax and drop. And now we're ready to start our practice. Coming to the top of your mat, we're going to do Surya Namaskar. So just breathing in, taking your hands up, stretching up, pushing your tailbone down. And as you breathe out, you're just coming down and you're just hanging here. Feeling a beautiful stretch on the back of your neck, the back of your legs. You might want to roll from side to side. Maybe do yes, no with your head. You might want to just bind your hands, your arms like this and just hang for a minute, feeling a beautiful stretch and breathe. And then taking your hands beside your feet or in front, taking one foot back, the other foot back, and just pedaling your feet and then just pushing them down. You're going to take one leg up into three-legged dog, stacking your hips, just feeling you might want to move your leg just back and forward. And then bringing that down, taking the other leg up into three-legged dog, stacking your hips. And then coming down and then just pushing your feet down. Here you might want to sway side to side, just moving the hips and the legs and then pushing your feet down. And then from here, you're going to come into kneeling and then coming to forward fold. Just bringing your legs together, lifting your arms up, pushing your tailbone down, and just relaxing into a forward fold. Taking a couple of deep breaths here. Allowing your breath to flow all the way down to your belly. Letting your head just hang, feeling a stretch in the back of your head, your back, even the back of your legs. Maybe flexing your feet back and forward, just getting everything moving. And then coming up slowly. Now coming into Sphinx. Coming on your belly. And just staying here for a couple of breaths. Feeling a lovely stretch on your back. Just breathing deeply, opening up your lungs, opening up your heart and your throat. You might want another stretch. Might want to come up a little bit more. Or you might want to just stay here. Taking a couple of deep breaths here. Just being present on the mat. Don't need to be anywhere. Just be present here, taking care of you. Now coming into tabletop and just doing a gentle cat and cow, looking up as you breathe in, looking down as you breathe out, breathing in, breathing out. One more time, breathing in and breathing out, and taking your hips from side to side, just opening up the hips, feeling a lovely stretch on the side of your body, and then maybe doing some circles one way and then the other way. And then coming into child's pose, you can have your legs wide, you can have your legs together, whatever works for you. And then just bringing your arms in front. This is wonderful. Or you can bring your hands in prayer. If you want to feel a further stretch on the back of your arms. Or you can bring your arms at the side here. Be here for a few more breaths. Breathe. We don't need oxygen. Oxygen is free, so you might as well breathe in a way that works for your body, nourishing your organs, your skeleton, your muscles. Breathe. And then coming up slowly back again, all fours. And then come lying down on your mat. Going to do figure 4. Now bringing one foot over the knee and then bringing your hand underneath. Or if you want a further stretch, you can even bring it onto your shin and just feeling the stretch on the back of the thigh. A wonderful stretch, lovely to open up the hips. Just remember this flow is gentle. It's about being kind to yourself. When we are kind to ourselves, we can be more loving, and we all like to be loved. So this is a way to be loving to yourself. Self-kindness allows you then to become mindful as well. Breathe. Gently bringing your foot back. Let's do the other leg. Remember to bring your hands. You can have them here or even here if you can reach. And just allow yourselves to breathe and relax. When we breathe deeply, we allow our whole bodies to nourish. So breathe. Mind becomes relaxed. Body becomes relaxed and nourished. Give yourself this kindness, self-kindness. And then bringing your feet down. And let's do some gentle moving the legs into a twist, just moving this. And then allowing the legs to float one way and the head to be another. The arms are like a T. And if you want, you can stay here, or you can just gently rotate your hips one way. Just feeling a lovely stretch on the hips. And then let's try the other side. And then just bringing the legs and the head to the center. And let's go the other way. Knees going one way, head coming the other way. Feeling a lovely stretch on your hips and your arms. And then gently rotating your hips one way. And then the other way. Breathing deeply. And then bringing your legs to the center, head to the center, bringing your knees into the chest, giving yourself a gentle hug. You might want to roll from side to side. You might want to move your hips and your legs one way and then the other way. Just gently, being really, really slow and kinder to yourself. And then bringing your feet down to the mat, gently rolling over to one side and coming to seated. Near to the end of this practice, take a moment to focus on your breath. And then bringing your hands to your heart. Take a moment to thank yourself for showing up. Remember, it's a step to your wellness journey. Thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this practice, I invite you to subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and loved ones, and you can follow me on my social media where I share inspiring wellness tips. Your support means a lot. It allows me to make more free videos. So until next time, namaste.